Louisiana Ag gives warning about post-hurricane car buying. Copy link. Copy shortcut to copy link. Copied updated 504 p.m. CDT September 18, 2017. High transcript show transcript WEBVTT Sheldon Doris says many are likely to make their way to Nebraska and Iowa. Mitchell inspection station is where it starts. These guys are not mechanics and they admit that flood damaged vehicles can flow through the system. It is all internal. Maybe it is electrical. And it will stink. That is sign number one. When the car stinks, you know if it's had water in it. Michelle dealerships look for water damage on used cars, especially after storms like Hurricane Harvey and Irma. If water got that high to get into the trunk, we will look for the water level in here. Michelle water damaged vehicles can show up in states years later. Some may try to fix the cars themselves and pass them off as good to go. To get more money. RT to protect yourself, I would always do a vehicle history search. SEE. What stated is titledridden.it may be wise to invest in Abadi shop. Michelle having an expert or talk can save you money and or take. To prevent you from becoming victim of flood fraud. We checked with AAA of Nebraska and it provided some hopeful tips. Rejetta Carfax history report. Put it to the smell test and Thessenden soot test. Also inspect the dashboard underside for signs of mud and dirt. Louisiana Ag gives warning about post-hurricane car buying. Copy link. Copy shortcut to copy link. Copied updated 504 p.m. CDT September 18, 2017. Baton Rouge, La. Louisiana Attorney General Jeff Landry is telling residents to be careful when shopping for cars after Hurricanes Harvey and Irma. Landry issued a warning about flood-damaged vehicles, saying Harvey flooded an estimated 1 million vehicles and Irma damaged other cars and trucks in the southeast. The Attorney General said, when shopping for a used vehicle, people should be suspicious of unrealistically low prices. Check for musty smells and rust. Pull back the carpet for signs of water and notice if the carpet looks new. Make sure the power locks and windows work. Look for fogging in headlights and taillights and get a mechanic to check out the car or truck. Landry also advises getting a free vehicle history report from the National Insurance Crime Bureau. Keep up with local news, weather and current events with the WDSU app here. Sign up for our email newsletters to get breaking news right in your inbox. Click here to sign up.